Everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today we're working on the terrific Toadstools scrap workshop, and we have got flip flaps to add. So I wanted to go over with you the two ways that I know of to attach flip flaps to your page protectors. Now, the easiest way to do it, technically easiest way, is to add your layout to your page protector. Have it nice and cinched down. Take your flip flap, peel off the backing, line it up with your photo mount, attach the backing directly to the page protector, and then your layout lives inside the page protector and your flip flap lives outside the page protector. Now, if you are like me, I prefer to keep my flip flaps on my layout. I prefer to have surgery on my page protectors so that my flip flap lives on the layout. So my flip flap is currently attached to my layout like this. It's all glued down, and I want to show you how to make an adjustment in your page protector to allow for that. Now, if you are one that adds photos to your page protectors immediately and it's all ready to go, it's probably easiest to just attach it to the page protector. But I don't add my photos right away, and so I want my photos to be done. So what I want to do, I'm going to take your pick tool, and I'm going to put a stabby tool on one end. Stabby tool on one end somehow. There we go, and I'll lock it up. So I have a stabby tool and I have my X-Acto knife. So my take a pick tool is all ready to go. So what I do is I stab a hole at the exact crack where that flip flap ends within the page protector. Just make a small, tiny hole. And then I am going to take my layout out of the page protector. I'm going to add in a cutting mat. And I can see my two holes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make them even bigger because I want them to be bigger. I like the idea of creating a hole there because I believe that makes it less vulnerable to tearing later if you can create a rounded entry point. Now, whether that's true or not, I have no idea. My cap on, and I have my X-Acto tool. So now I'm going to take my metal ruler, and I'm going to lay it down from point to point, and then I'm going to slice. Now, I recommend using a metal ruler because it is very easy to shave off pieces of your plastic ruler, and then your plastic ruler will no longer be straight. So I just go from point to point. Make sure I got the slit in there. Yep, it's all good. My cap back on so I don't stab myself. All right, so now I have a page protector with a slit in it. I'm going to shimmy my page back down in. And then as I pass that spot with the slit, I'm going to carefully get that through. And then I've got this extra flag on there too. So I'm going to have to push it and then tug it, get the flag out of there while I'm pushing and tugging. There we go. I'm all safe. So now I have it in, and I'm just going to take my flip flap, lift it up a little bit, and make sure it's all tucked. And now I have a flip flap that is ready to go. I can put my photo, my journaling, my extra photo, and everything in here. And it's a perfectly wonderful situation for my album. So that way people can flip it up. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.